In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your sketch into a photo using AI, Leonardo.Ai. So if you want to use this tool, you can check the description and leave a like and a comment in this video down below. So let's start. First, you need to go to this real-time canvas to create and transform your sketch into an art in real time. Before that, you need to log into your account at Leonardo.Ai, and you can just press for real-time canvas. After that, you'll come into this screen, and this screen on the left side you need to draw, and on the right side you will have your output, and you also can insert your prompt to make your sketch more accurate compared to what you want. So first let us draw the sketch. So I will try to draw a sketch. I will just sketch a simple sketch for as an example. So after that you have sketch, you can type your prompt. So my prompt is cyberpunk motorcycle. So as you can see from my simple drawing, it helps to generate a cyberpunk motorcycle based on my prompt. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you want to learn more, you can check the description and try out yourself. So thanks.